Hi guys, I'm Pratik from LWP Labs. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about another important topic is going to be Azure Managed Instance Database. So we'll start off. So what is it? So it is a fully managed database service that is built to provide the best of both worlds. So what that means is the scalability, security, flexibility of Azure SQL database combined with the compatibility and the features of an on-premises SQL server. So that is an important word whenever we're discussing about managed instance database, on-premises SQL server. So if you did not understand, we will start with an example. So what it means now, imagine now you have a database which is running on your physical server. So this will be my physical server. So imagine this is my, you can imagine anything like, but I'm going to say that this is going to be my database, is my server, right? So this will be my on-premise SQL server. So this will be an my database which is running in my system. So this will be my database, right? So this will be I'm going to term it as on-premises SQL server. Okay, so this will be my on-premises SQL server. So now what I want, yes. So now what is going to happen is that now we need an Azure SQL database in order to understand on-premise SQL server. So we'll draw another arrow. So there will be an Azure SQL database. So imagine this is my cloud. So instead of I'll show you as a cloud symbol and we'll add a small database inside this. So this will be my Azure SQL database. Sorry for that. Yes, yes. Okay. So this will be my Azure SQL database. So this will be a database that's inside my cloud. So this will be my Azure SQL database. Okay, so yeah, so now instead of managing this database by yourself, what you need to think is that you need to imagine by moving it to the cloud like your Azure SQL database. So that's about it. So it's a fully managed, meaning that Microsoft will take care most of the work, like it can be security backups and it can be all your updates. So what happens now? This on-premise SQL server is going to be transferred like this. So this one was my first step, this one was my second step, then the third one. Now, what is Azure SQL managed instance now? So I'll show you another cloud symbol again. So this is my cloud symbol. Okay. Now inside this, I will draw, or I can tell you that I can place an instance of an SQL server. So this will be my SQL servers inside the cloud. So these are some of the SQL servers inside the cloud, right? Okay. Now this will be highly compatible with the SQL server, but it is managed inside this cloud. So this will be my Azure SQL managed instance. So this is really important. So this will be my Azure managed instance. Okay. Yes. So what it does, so basically, but this SQL manager, it will combine the database and the features of this SQL server. As I said earlier, it will combine the benefits of the Azure SQL database and the features of this on-premise SQL server that we are already familiar with. So that is what it means by the hybrid of both worlds. So that it combines it highlights the features such as scalability, it has more security, it is more compatible with your SQL features as well. So that's about Azure Managed Instance Database. So we will also now look into some of the advantages that this Azure Managed Instance Database comes up with. So it says SQL Server compatibility. So what it means, so an on-premises SQL Server feature. So it supports all the features of an on-premise server, which makes the migration from SQL Server to Azure, which means it's smoother without needing to rewrite your application. So what that means is like it works like your on-premises SQL Server. So you don't have to change your applications when you're moving it to the cloud. It supports features like it supports like SQL agent, linked servers, a database mail, and service broker. It's a service broker, or it can be a database mail also, as I said. So it makes it more easier for migration and also for your businesses. Second one is my fully managed service. So what it means, it says that Azure takes care of all the maintenance, including patching and security updates. It reduces the administrative burden on IT teams. So what it means, it will handle all the maintenance for you, like update security. So you don't need to worry about anything of that. It also takes care of the backups automatically. So making sure that your data is more safe and reliable. And we have one more is your built-in security. So what is this built-in security that I'm saying? There's an important term that comes under is advanced threat protection. So it means managed instance integrates with Azure security features such as SQL threat detection, transparent data encryption, TD, and advanced data security. So it comes to make sure that it keeps your data safe with features like all these stuff. And also it controls who can access your data by using your Azure Active Directory for your security login and permissions. That's whenever you log in into your Azure portal, you will be able to check in all your details such as it was previously termed as Microsoft Entra ID. Now it's termed as Azure Active Directory. We will look into that in our future videos when I'm going to be discussing our Azure Active Directory, but it also has been discussed in our previous videos as well when I have introduced the Azure portal. So that's all about Azure Managed Instance Database. Thank you. Welcome to LWP Labs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view free Azure DevOps live classes
And for more videos like this, please contact the number shown in the description. Happy learning!